Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2018 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This Mazda is powered by rear-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 38,634 miles. Discover the thrill of driving with this 2018 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Enjoy its sleek design, responsive handling, and exhilarating performance. Perfect for weekend adventures or daily commutes. Don't miss out, experience the joy of open road driving today. This pre-owned MX-5 Miata comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, push-button start, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Mazda MX-5 Miata is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.